You are going to love the 2014 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, backup camera, leather upholstery, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.